Magandang araw mga mag-aaral. Narito muli ang inyong guro ng Sipnayan para sa panibagong math tutorial. At ngayon naman ay pag-aaralan natin ang tungkol sa laws of exponents. Ito yung part 2. So I hope na napanood na ninyo yung part 1 ng ating law of exponents video. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung mga iba pang laws of exponents? For our third law, we have the product rule. So product rule, multiplying powers with same bases. As you can see here, ang same bases ay naka-highlight. So ibig sabihin ay para magamit natin ang product rule, kailangan ang mga bases or yung mga variables or yung mga non-zero real number ay kailangan sila ay pare-pareho or similar sila or same. Okay, so let us have now the following examples. If we have 2x multiplied with x raised to the 6th power, so the same base, the same ang kanilang variable x, then we're just going to copy. But then, we have to multiply first ang kanilang numerical coefficients. The numerical coefficient ng x na to ay 2. Ang numerical coefficient ng x na to is 1. Although, hindi siya sinulat na, it is understood na kapag walang numerical coefficient na nasa unahan ng isang variable, ang kanyang numerical coefficient or constant ay 1. Okay, so let us multiply first. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. And then, we're going to copy the base na parehong meron sila, which is x. And then, we are going to add their exponents or their powers. So, 1 plus 6 and the exponent of x na to is positive 1. Hindi lamang din siya sinulat. But then, it's still understood na kapag walang exponent or power ang isang variable or isang non-zero real number, it is understood na ang kanyang exponent or power ay positive 1. Okay? So we have 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Copy the base x. 1 plus 6 is equal to 2x raised to the 7th power. Another example, if we have 3 squared multiplied with 3 raised to the 3rd power. Again, ang multiplication symbol ay pwede rin na parenthesis aside from the decimal. Okay, so let us have the same base, the same ang kanilang bases which is 3. So copy the base. And then add their exponents. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 to the 5th power. And then evaluate or simplify 3 to the 5th power. So this is equal to 243. Ibig sabihin nito ay imumultiply natin ng 5 beses si 3 sa kanyang sarili. O gagawin natin siyang factor ng 5 beses. That's why we arrive at 243. Another example. If we have negative 3x to the 5th multiplied with 2x to the 3rd power. Again, let us first multiply ang kanilang numerical coefficients. Negative 3 times positive 2. Then, we have now copy the variable x, the same ang kanilang base, and then add the exponents. So, 5 plus 3, we have negative 6x raised to the 8th power. Another example, we have negative 6x squared y multiplied with negative 2x cubed y squared. So again, let us multiply first ang kanilang numerical coefficients, negative 6 times negative 2. Then the same ang kanilang base, the variable x, copy, add the exponents ni x, which are 2 plus 3, and then the same ang base ni y. So, just copy si y, then add ang kaniyang exponent. So, 1 plus 2, then we have now negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. X, 2 plus 3 is 5, then y, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, this is the final answer. Another law of exponent is raising a power to power. So, in this case, ay meron itong exponent na nasa loob. And then, enclose siya ng parentheses at meron pa din siyang exponent or power na nasa labas. So, let us have the following example. If we have 2 squared raised to the 3rd power. So, 2, ay itong 2 na to na base ay meron siyang power or exponent na nasa loob At the same time, meron din siyang exponent or power na nasa labas, which is 3. Anong gagawin natin? Okay, so let us just copy the base 2, multiply their exponents. 2 times 3, so we have 2 to the 6th power. Simplify 2 to the 6th power. This is equal to 64. Another, x to the 4th power raised to the 3rd power. Again, we're just going to copy the base x, multiply their exponents. So, power to power. So, we have x, 4 times 3, this is 12. So, x to the 12th power. Then, another law is raising a product to power. So, in this case, ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay hindi lamang isang variable o isang digit. Ito ay meron na siyang kasama na number, or pwede rin siya may kasama dito na variable. Okay? Then raised to a certain power. So let us have the following example. If we have quantity 3ab squared, then quantity raised to the 3rd power. So what are we going to do? I-apply pa rin natin dito itong raising a power to power na law. Okay? So, we're going to copy the base 3 and then multiply the exponent. So, exponent dito ni 3 ay 1. Again, invisible ang exponent ni 3 na 1. So, it is understood na kapag wala tayong nakita na 3, ang kanyang exponent or power ay 1. So, we're just going to distribute itong si 3 sa mga exponents na nandito sa loob. Okay. Copy first the base, so 3, then 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. Copy the base A, 1 times 3, then copy the base B, 2 times 3. So we have now 3 raised to the 3rd power, A to the 3rd power, and then B to the 6th power. And then let us now simplify 3 raised to the 3rd power. Always remember na ang answer ninyo final answer ninyo ay dapat ay naka-simplified form. So we have now 27 a to the 3rd power and b to the 6th power. Another example, if we have negative quantity negative 2x squared y cubed, quantity raised to the 3rd power, again, i-apply natin uli ang raising a power to power, wherein imumultiply natin ang lahat ng exponents na nandito sa loob sa exponent dito na nasa labas. Okay? So, we have now negative 2 raised to the 1 times 3. Then, x, copy the base x, multiply yung exponent ni x na 2 kay 3. Then, copy the base y, i-multiply yung exponent na 3 kay 3. Then, we have now negative 2 raised to the 3rd power, x raised to the 6th power, and y raised to the 9th power. And then, let us now simplify. Negative 2 raised to the 3rd power is equal to negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So, we have negative 8x to the 6th power, y to the 9th power.